आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् ॐ आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् ॐ आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्. Shri, go ahead.
You said fear of God for the marriage. It becomes fear of wife after marriage.
Udaramantaram kurute. Once fear sets in, that's it. Oh, after that.
It's a conversion. Fear of God to fear of wife.
No, it's both. Fear of wife is there, fear of husband also is there. So we can't blame
even
one
God
party. Blaming one party, I don't accept. Blaming one party, I don't accept. Fear of wife is there for some people, fear of husband is there for some people. Sometimes both are also there. Which is good. Both are there means that's a nice balance, Then I think that's good. I don't know. You have to tell me.
Yeah, even God fears the wife.
So that also.
Because they have all the instruments, no? The Shiva carries Trishulam and all that. Vishnu Chakra.
Yeah, Lakshmi is Vishnu's advisor. And Vishnu gets stressed out, and Lakshmi says, "Come on, you're taking life too seriously."
There is a concept of Daiva Preeti and Papa Bhiti. Fear of sin and love for God.
Okay, say that again. What?
Daiva Preeti and Papa Bhiti.
Okay. Daiva Preeti and Papa Bhiti. That's nice. Very interesting. Daiva Preeti.
Sangha Niti. I mean, that's what in our Sai, this thing we hear it from Swami.
Okay. Very
so
good.
It's love for God and fear of sin.
Fear of Papa. Fear of Papa. So, then at some point we have to say, Papam and Punyam is Mithya. Papam, if you say there is so much Papam in our account, so much Papam in our account, if not from this Janma, from past Janma, definitely it has to fructify. And therefore, I will always be afraid. I'll always be afraid. Papam is always there. And therefore, only how can that Papam ever go? Tell me. See, that's why this is the thing. Advaita, we have to be careful. Daiva Preeti, Papa Bhiti. Okay, fine. Accepted. But at some point, Preeti to whom? You have to ask. Afraid from whom? If you ask, there's no answer. Daiva Preeti doesn't exist. Papa Bhiti also doesn't exist. That is what Shastra was challenging us to think about, right? Yeah, Swapna, go ahead.
Can you hear me?
There is your voice.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Saha mrityo. So here,
Now your voice, Swapna, your voice is okay.
So mrityoho is Panchami Vibhakti.
Correct. Ekavachanam Panchami. Correct. Marana.
Okay. Dhanyawada.
Yeah, Hariji, go ahead.
I asked my doubt in the class. Surya and all Devdas, are they a Brahma?
No, Surya is not a Brahma. Surya is Brahma.
Because it says that it is Surya is arising out of Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha is Brahman, and since all Devatas and Surya are arising out of Hiranyagarbha and exist in Hiranyagarbha and dissolves in Hiranyagarbha, are these entities, are they a Brahma?
Yeah, so let's think about it. Something arises. Surya arises from Brahma.
Yeah, so Surya and Brahma are different.
Surya arises from Brahma.
Yeah.
When something arises from something else, will that something can it be different from what it arose from?
In this context, yes, because Brahma is Avyaktam and Surya is Vyaktam.
Pot came from clay. Can pot be different from clay?
No.
Different, very different from clay?
No.
Possible? Is it possible?
Not possible.
If it is not possible, then how can Surya be different from Hiranyagarbha or Brahma?
Okay. So that is, it is more like appearance. It appears to, it is not actually arising, but it appears to arise from Hiranyagarbha.
A Brahma, that Vat is important.
Okay.
Like a Brahma. As though it is not.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Good. Anything else? Okay, so we will. What is going on here on the chat window? Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, Surendraji, go ahead.
Guruji, when you are today talking about this Ghana, we have one surname in Marathi called Ghanapati. Now, like Piripati, for example, that is similar, resembling to that, but Ghanapati may be meaning in whom the knowledge is homogeneous or who has 100% absorbed learning. That could be the meaning that I understood.
Yeah, just be careful, Surendraji. Just be careful. Ganapati. Okay, there are all these parties, right? Veda Parayanam. So Veda Patashala also, people graduate and so they have titles, right? So the more you study, like masters means one level, bachelors, masters, or high school, bachelors, masters, PhD. Like this, there are some titles, right? Like this, Ganapati is a title for one who can do Ganapata. So Veda chanting, there are various ways of chanting Veda. There's one normal way, right? So that is the Samhita, we call it. Normal way. Ganana, Antva, Ganapatigum, Hava, Mahe, like that. Then they will switch the words. They will 1, 2, and then 2, 1, they'll chant like that. So that's one way of chanting. Some people are good at that also. Then like that, you keep going up. Then you got this Ganapata. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. That guy is called Ganapata.
Okay.
So in the context of Veda Patashala, in the context of a Vedic society, that is the meaning of a Ganapati. It's a title given to a person who has that capacity.
Okay.
Like, for example, Shatavadhani. There are many Shatavadhanis. Okay, there is one, what's his name? Ganesh Shatavadhani is there, right? Shatavadhani, very interesting it is. Shatavadhani, hey, the 6 parallel multitask, he can do 6 things in parallel, which means what? This guy, I'm teaching, he's teaching Kathopanishad here. He is teaching Sahana to, he is teaching Kathopanishad to that person, he is teaching Mundaka to him, and then Bhagavad Gita, there are 6 different things the person can process at the same time. Like 6 different people. Exactly knowing what's going on where. Shatavadhani, that's called. I don't know how they figure out that a person is Shatavadhani, or Ashtavadhani, or Navavadhani, or Dashavadhani. But it's all there in our culture. We prize all this.
I had
Thank you,
met a
sir.
person like that once. Who was conducting a I had met a person like that once who was conducting a seminar. He was taking questions from different people at different time and asking to say some numbers, and in exactly same order he was repeating after it was written in the board.
See that. That's it.
100 numbers he wrote. Then he recalled all the after removing all that, he removed and that, and he identified the person who called and who said this and all these things. And even in between that numbers also sound, whatever sound was in between coming, that also he was telling from where it came and all.
Yeah. Immense capacity.
Shagundala Devi type. She is a different character, but a different thing.
Yeah.
What I understood about Ganesh Shatavadhani is that he got the title because he debated with 6 different people on 6 different topics.
Yeah. The debates. They were not just teaching, debate also. Parallelly debate, simultaneously debating. Simultaneous. You forgot the word simultaneous there.
Yeah, simultaneously 6 different debates. Simultaneously 6 unrelated topics.
Yeah. Exactly. That's correct. Correct. Debating. So this sadas is there. Vidvat sadas. Vidvat sadas is a session where vidvats, means people, vidwans are meeting, and it's a conference of vidwans. They talk about our shastra and all.
Last week I had forwarded something from which was conducted in our village with those photos, and I had forwarded to you.
Yeah, exactly. So there they have debates. So it'll be interesting to see the Shatavadhani debate and debating. It's like 7 people in one person, 6 people in one person.
They usually conduct it in Shangeri.
Tingere also has. Last year they had one.
Actually, they do it.
This time also they'll have one. So good. And we have to be nice to see something like that. All right, we'll stop.
It was called Vakyartha Sabha.
Okay. Vakyartha Sabha. Correct. Vakyartha Sadas. Yeah. Okay. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraya Amritakalashahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trilokyanathaya Shri Mahavishnave Namaha.